Hey guys, Alex here, back doing some videos. Sorry for the absence, it's been I think like 2 months or so. Um, but I've been home, not working, it's been sucking a lot. I've been very bored, just trying to do anything just to keep busy. Um, did some stuff to both cars, nothing huge, but just, you know, good stuff to do. And then I forgot to mention in the video that I'm about to show you, um, the BMW is actually leaking from the oil pan gasket, which sucks. I've seen some videos on how it's done and it looks very extensive, you know, gotta lift the engine and stuff like that, so look forward to that video in a few months. I'm actually about to show you just a lot of weird stuff that I've been doing this past 2 months. I was actually sick for about 2 weeks or so, but that's a story for another day. Just, you know, I couldn't do anything, but I'm back now, and a lot more videos are coming up. So guys, in my boredom, I removed the Scion logo from the car. You know, better than having a logo that for a company that doesn't exist anymore. So I still have the one in the back. Yeah, I think it looks better. You know, mysterious. Another thing that I'm doing to stay not bored is I've got my BMW on jack stands, and I'm gonna check every little bit of it from the bottom to see how if there's anything leaking or whatever. Since all this quarantine stuff started, it hasn't really moved. It's just been sitting, resting pretty much. I also sanded this headlight so I can throw some clear on it and then like make it look better. This one's been dim, you know, because it's the one that's original to the car. This new one looks you know, still new. So yeah, I'm trying to make it a little bit more match. Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing. Trying to not lose my mind. Slightly failing. You know, the usual. Alright, I'll let you know what I find.